Hey guys, welcome back, and it is me again, Griffin99 here. And today, I just want to guys just make you a quick video to show you guys my coolest toy guns I have yet. So, first we have our cap gun. Oh, I hit myself in the eye. Ow. So, first I have my cap gun here. It's really good. I don't know where my caps are, but they're over there somewhere, but I don't want to watch the video. So this is my cap gun right here, as you can see. So what you have to do is you pull back the trigger, and then you do this, and that opens, so you put the caps in there, close that, and then do that, and then it shoots. There you go. And then second, we have this gun. It's a automatic warfare gun, and it does this. So it has sound effects. And acts like a real gun. It does come with you can actually put more parts on it to make it like a real gun. That's this gun. I have no idea what it's called, but this is called the Legends of the Wild West. This one was called, and this one was called Warfare Gun. So that's all. This one is, so moving on to my favorite one. It's a Nerf gun. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos on this one. This one is a Richterdetzer LE Nerf gun, and it's a really good gun. So you do this, you put that in, you load it, and I already have it loaded, so I'm just going to show you how it shoots. If I just move the camera right over here, I can show you how it shoots. So here it is, and there you go, and that's your rapid fire. So it's a pretty good gun. It's a pretty sweet gun. So let's get back here. Oh, sorry guys. Let's hide this for a second. So yeah, sorry about that guys. I'm still getting used to being a YouTuber. But guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Let's get this video to, since it was really a long video, let's get this video to 30 likes, and I'll be happy, and I'll make another one of maybe a try not to laugh challenge, or maybe I might do a eating the marshmallow sour challenge. You know, anything you list down in the comments, it could be chosen. So guys, start listing stuff down in the comments below, and maybe your comment will be chosen next. So let's get to 30 likes, and thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my videos, and for the videos so you cannot miss them. And I am about to do a lot of filming. And guys, I apologize for not filming in so long. I apologize so much, guys. My camera broke, and yeah, so I'm very sorry, guys. But now I'm gonna get hopefully get more subscribers, because I had schoolwork, and I had school, and now it's the summer, so I'm gonna be filming all summer. I'm gonna be doing a vlog. I'm gonna go up to Maine, and it's gonna be amazing. But yeah, so I might use the GoPro. I don't have a GoPro, but yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and there is going to be a vlog coming up soon when I go to Maine. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Drop that beat. Peace out.